Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend and a really great Mother's Day celebrating your moms yesterday. Today we're going to be working on two-step word problems, and this week we'll be continuing that, both addition and subtraction two-step word problems. And I thought I would go ahead and model for you how we would solve one of these problems using strategies that we've already learned, either open number line, base 10 block drawings, or expanded form. So let's go ahead and read our word problem. It says Kelly had 21 pink flowers, 34 blue flowers, and 19 purple flowers. How many flowers did she have? So we're trying to find the total number of flowers that Kelly had. It doesn't matter what color, just how many flowers she had in all. That means I'm going to take a look at the beginning, middle, and end of our word problem to see what numbers we're going to add together. In the beginning, it said she had 21 pink, 34 blue in the middle, and 19 purple at the end. We don't know the final result, so that's going to be a box. Since we said it's in all, we are going to add all three numbers together. So I'll put a plus sign or an addition symbol in between each of my numbers. Now I want you to pause the video at this time and see if you can solve this using a base 10 block drawing, open number line, or expanded form in this box right here. How would you use one of those strategies to add all three numbers together? I'm going to choose to do expanded form for my strategy. That means I need to take each of my numbers, 21, 34, and 19, and I need to expand them into their place values. So I know that 21 is going to equal 20 plus 1, 34 will be 30 plus 4, and 19 will be 10 plus 9. I'm going to look at my ones column first. And I can see very easily that I can make a 10 using 9 and 1. That would equal 10. If I added 4 to it, that becomes 14. So I'm going to be putting 14 down below my ones column. Now, yes, there are a tens and a ones place value in the number 14, but we'll get to that in just a moment. Next, I have 20 plus 30, or 2 tens plus 3 tens, which equals 5 tens, and then another 1 10, which equals 6 tens. 20 plus 30 plus 10 will equal 60, or 6 tens. Now I have 60 plus 14. I can expand this even further. I'll decompose the number 14 into 10 plus 4. I'll then add 60 plus 10 to get 70, and then add on my 4 from my ones at the end. 70 plus 4 equals 74. So the final answer should be Kelly had 74 flowers. Now, this next word problem that I want you to solve will be on your own. Using your own sheet of paper, go ahead and make a 4-square model like I did here, and use this word problem to solve using finding the equation, using one of your strategies, and then writing the solution in the remaining 3 boxes. In the gym, there are 18 basketballs, 43 baseballs, and 12 tennis balls. How many balls are in the gym? So I want you to think back to our example that we did, because this problem is very similar. Choose a strategy to solve it, and then write your final answer. Do not forget to include the labels. I can't wait to see your work. When you're finished, go ahead and take a picture of your 4-square model and submit it to Class Dojo, or you can submit it to my email. Can't wait to see all of your submissions, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.